Listening, Unit 2, page 22D.
You will hear a radio interview about a restaurant festival. For each question, circle the correct option A, B or C.
Good evening and welcome to the food programme. With me in the studio tonight is Faye Wallace, who has her own food and restaurant blog. Tonight we're talking about the London Restaurant Festival, which is a 2-week-long event and celebrates eating out. So, Faye, tell us a bit about the festival.
Hello, John. Well, the London Restaurant Festival is about helping people to learn about and to try some of the fantastic restaurants in our city. The festival started in 2009 when over 450 restaurants took part. This year, the organisers are hoping that there will be approximately 800 restaurants.
Wow, that's a lot of restaurants. So what do they have to do?
Well, all the restaurants will prepare special starters, mains and desserts to demonstrate their chef skills and favourite dishes. There will be 4 different prices for menu, starting at under £10 per person up to over £25 per person. This means a great variety of restaurants can take part, from the traditional to the trendy, and everyone can enjoy the festival.
That sounds good. And I heard that one of the nice things about the festival is that as well as promoting restaurants and offering tasty meals, it also raises money for charity.
That's right. For every restaurant that participates in the festival, the organisers will donate £5 to Street Smart, an organisation which helps people living on the streets.
And what else will happen during the festival?
Well, an interesting part of it is the Gourmet Odyssey. The idea is that you eat each course of a 3-course lunch in a different restaurant. Traditional London buses will transport people between the 3 restaurants, and in each restaurant you get to meet the chefs. There are 4 different routes to choose from, and this event costs £135 per person. If you prefer to walk and not take the bus, there's also a walking version of the Odyssey, which follows the same programme, but you only pay £95.
So you can eat and stay fit at the same time?
Maybe, John. Perhaps the most exciting part of the festival is dinner on the London Eye. Each night, one of the London Eye capsules will become a unique dining room. As you dine, the wheel goes round very slowly, and you get an amazing view of London. Each night, a different famous chef will cook a delicious meal, and on one night only, the chef will be the famous Gordon Ramsay. All the money made at this event will go to the Street Smart charity.
Well, Faye, I hope I'll have time to go, and if not, I'll read all about it on your blog. That's all we have time for tonight, but now, listening.